Same thing as the van the other day with how to replace the spark plugs. Couldn't find a video on YouTube, so I'm making one for you today. Let's get into it. Got the jack stands, all the tools we need. Let's get ahead, open up the garage and pull the car in. So this is the car that I'm working on for a client. It's one of my neighbours. Drove past the house the other day and he knows that I work on my cars, so he said, hey mate, would you be able to give me a hand replacing a new starter motor? Bloody oath I can. So I'm going to show you guys while also be a good neighbour and get it done for him for absolutely free. Let's get into it. First thing you want to do is you want to jack the car up, take the bonnet up, make sure you know exactly where you're jacking to because it's a little bit hard to find the bloody bastard. I'll show you in a second. So you're going to remove the wheel because it is a pain in the ass. So get that bastard out of the way. Beautiful. Probably. Now, disconnect your battery. I didn't do it in the last one, but this time it's serious. Your electric stuff, you don't want to stuff around with this. That's what you're looking for though, right there. That bolt we need to undo. Same as the bolt around the back, that one just there. But before you go ahead and undo those bolts, you want to do the electrics. So you want to take the red part off right there and that red wire. The red wire just pops out. That red cup thing there, same as your positive on your battery, it's got a little boot. So you're going to take the boot off, it's got a 13mm, unscrew that, then you just pull that red thing off, get your other 13mm, attach it on there first before you get your socket extension. Get your socket extension, crank that bad boy off, and then you're pretty well good to go. The starter motor is out. This is how I have it jacked up as well, for in case you want to know. I took the air filter off thinking I could see it that way. Don't even waste your time. Once you got those two bolts off, wiggle it out. You're going to get dirt in your eyes, by the way, wear glasses. Get the new one, put it in roughly until it's in place, and then you just repeat the process. Get the bolts, put the socket attachment on first, then the extension. You need two hands for this part, trust me. Put your electrics on, make sure it's all good, make sure that boot is covered so there's no dirt getting in. Put your battery thing back on. In this case I needed to charge the battery because his battery was stuffed as well. But that's pretty much the whole kit and caboodle. Thanks for watching. See you guys on the next one. If you've got any questions, let me know in the comments down below. I'll try and answer them all. But yeah, that's where it is, just so you know. If you've never done it before, it's connected to the side of your transmission. And this job should take you around an hour to an hour and a half, maybe 2 or 3, depending on your experience. All the best.